Happy springtime, everybody. Welcome, 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 welcome spring. Ah, my lovely ladies and handsome gents. I'm out here today. This has been the first day that has been actually spring-like where I live. And so some of you know I have ladybugs living in my house. And so this was the first day that my husband and I went and we're like, okay, let's put the ladybugs outside because they'll probably be able to survive now, you know. But anyways, another exciting thing I discovered was my lovely friend Eau de Michele sent me another box of goodies, and I have not opened this box yet. I just found it today, this morning. I didn't even have a chance. I just got up like an hour ago, and I didn't even have a chance to let her know that I got this. So I'm pretty excited to just open it and share it with you guys. And I hope you're having a great time, by the way, wherever you are. Like, I'm telling you, this is one of the most fun things, to open a box of goodies from somebody as cool as Michelle. I don't know if you saw my last video with all of her stuff. Okay, there we go. You guys ready? All right. Okay, nicely packed. Michelle's so considerate. She always packs things so beautifully. All right. She says, "Hey Bo, I hope you enjoy experiencing the vintage fragrances. They are not in good condition, so feel free to dispose if you want. I was really just trying to share some possible fodder for videos." There you go, Michelle. Here's the first one. Thank you so much. And I'm thrilled about vintage anything. So, there's the first quick look in the box. And here we go. All right. First off, a sample of Libre L'eau Nue. L'eau Nue. I haven't even heard of Libre L'eau Nue. I've heard of Libre, obviously Libre, but not L'eau Nue. Wow, so that's exciting. Okay, what's this? Ooh, this is something special. Oh wow, she sent me something from Lurker and Strange. Persephone, white florals, musk, fig, and brandy. Persephone, wow, this is so cool. Oh, ah, everything's blowing away. Okay, I'll have to do this fast, right? Okay, I'll have to give you a better close-up look of this eventually. Okay, Persephone from Lurker and Strange. Okay, that's pretty exciting. Okay, Idole Power, another one I don't know. Lancome Idole Power, that's exciting. Ella from Cacharel. I've never heard of that. I love Cacharel. I'm a huge Cacharel fan. Ooh-wee. Oh my gosh. I feel like now there's too many cute things in here for me to be opening outside, you know, but I thought, oh, it's something different, and Michelle will appreciate something different, I think. Ooh, what's this? Oh my goodness. Yria. Yria? Wow. Look at that pretty thing. My goodness. More gorgeous minis. Ah, who are you? This little guy. I can't see his name. Forever Elizabeth. Wow. Oh, wow. That does smell like, okay, it says Forever Elizabeth is probably Elizabeth Arden. It does remind me of Elizabeth Arden fragrances, which I love, by the way. I'm such a fan of Elizabeth Arden. I used to sell Elizabeth Arden. I mean, I was actually sold Elizabeth, I also sold Ultimate too, but Arden was in the same base, so I had to help. Oh my gosh, this looks like Tommy Girl. Wow. My stuff flying away. Okay, these are so cute. I like to put them out, but things are blowing away. And did I miss this? Okay, I have multiple bottles of Yria. Oh, from Yves Rocher and TH Tommy Girl Forever. Tommy Girl Forever is not me, but I think you might like it. Yes, I do. Forever Elizabeth by Elizabeth Taylor. Elizabeth Taylor, not Elizabeth Arden. I bought one for me and my sister, and I couldn't leave you out. She's so sweet. I threw in the, oh, no way, no way. I threw in the Le Jardin. Oh my gosh, I want to cry. I totally had Le Jardin when I was a teenager. And she says, remember Jane Seymour? I had two, so I thought I'd share it. You know, Michelle, I've been after Le Jardin. I have been after it, and I haven't seen it anywhere. And I type it in, and I can't ever find it. So Le Jardin is in here. That is so exciting. Oh my gosh, this must be it. Le Jardin. That was the theme. And I wore it out. I had more than one bottle. Oh, this is it. This is it. Le Jardin. Oh my gosh. Do you guys remember Le Jardin? You guys don't remember. Wow. Oh, Michelle, you rock so. Michelle, you rock. You rock! Michelle, you rock! You fucking rock! Look at her wrapping. It's so incredible. Okay, let's see here. Le Jardin. Okay. She told me she was gonna send me this one, and I never liked it. But there's no denying its importance in perfume history. It is one of the most really historically significant fragrances. Tabu. Oh, Tabu. Woo! I smell it already. Ah. Wow, you know what? I don't dislike it as much as I used to. I like that better now. Oh my, I couldn't stand it when I was younger though. This one, you know, there's rich history around this one. Supposedly, okay, this might not be completely correct, but I believe what I remember hearing was the guy who ran Dana, the company Dana, who came out with Tabu, the owner instructed the perfumer create a fragrance for a lady of the night, for a forbidden, you know, you get the gist. Anyways, so I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Michelle, because it still smells really great. It smells, you know, as great as Tabu can smell, because, you know, Tabu, it's strong. But man, I like it more than I used to, and now I get to do a video on Tabu, which I wanted to do for a long time. So thank you, Michelle. She's so good to me. You know what? You should go over and be friends with Eau de Michele. You'll get more out of it than she gives. You know, you'll get more out of it than you give. She's so generous and nice. I mean, just as a person, she's so supportive. She comes to my channel and leaves nice comments all the time. This is brand new, Beau. My daughter gets a lot of freebies. I like it for bedtime, hence the name. Oh boy, yeah. Okay, it's a purse spray, but it is. Oh boy, oh my gosh. I do not own any Michel Germain Sugarful until now. I haven't bought any. This is a Sugarful flanker, Sugarful Dream. How exciting! I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's a roller ball. It's a roller ball. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that is so nice. And look, it's full. Full. Oh yes. Yes. Thank you, Michelle. Again. And thanks to your daughter for giving me that. No! Oh my gosh, I can't believe it! No, I can't believe it! Oh my gosh, Michelle, I can't believe it. It's Charlie. My mom wore Charlie and I wore Charlie when I was a teenager, and this fragrance, I've been trying to get, see, because they have Charlie Red, Charlie Blue, Charlie White, Charlie Silver, they have Charlie Gold, they have all these different Charlies. And I've heard that Charlie Blue is supposed to be the new version of original Charlie, but you can't find original. They don't make original Charlie anymore that I can find. And I really wanted it because I want that nostalgia. Oh my gosh. Charlie. Oh, you're so nice, Michel. Ah! You're so nice, Michel. Thank you. That is so amazing. And that ain't it, kids. That ain't it, kid. That ain't it, kid. Oh, look. See, even out here, I'm attracting ladybugs. There's a ladybug on that thing. All right. A couple more things. Ooh, this feels heavy. Okay. Message. Do you love any Zara fragrances? This one is really nice for spring. If it ever arrives. Lol. Spring has arrived. I love Zara fragrances. I haven't bought any, but every time I go in there and smell them, I'm really impressed. Ooh-wee. Wow, look at that's beautiful. Zara Lightly Bloom. Lightly Bloom. My husband's recording this for me, by the way. Today he's helping me out. Say hi, honey. This already smells great. I can smell it in the air. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. This is so exactly like me. Oh no, I don't want to lose Michelle's notes. I'll go get it when I'm done filming. Zara Lightly Bloom. Wow. That's amazing. And again, I'm impressed by a Zara fragrance. Okay, one more thing. Before I open this last thing, I just want to say one last thank you very much to Michelle for her extreme generosity and her coolness. And again, go over, just go sub. Go sub. And she's got a gigantic collection, but she's very modest about showing it. She doesn't, I'm always amazed when she comes, she'll do a video every now and then. She doesn't do them that often. She'll do a video and then she'll pull out all these amazing fragrances. I didn't know you had those, Michelle. Why are you hiding those? She's apparently got a giant stash that she pulls from. Okay, last thing. Oh, it's in a box. It is what? It is what? Oh my goodness, what is this? Tribute. Tribute? Oh, wow. In celebration of you from the Mary Kay fragrance collection. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I have been curious about Mary Kay products. I don't remember ever really owning any. But I know they have fragrance lines, and I thought, oh, that's a whole other world of fragrances I'm curious about. And now I get to try one. Wow, look at that. It's gorgeous. I think there's some people doing work on the road nearby. They're probably listening to me going, what the hell's going on over there? Wow, I've never smelled anything like that. That's really pretty. Okay, now I'm even more curious about Mary Kay fragrances, but I don't think I'm going to join Mary Kay, but I'm excited to get a fragrance from them. So, oh, put it in this box. So, anyways, so that's it. And thank you so much for joining me. And I want to say thanks, Michelle. Michelle, you rock. Michelle, you roll. You rock till you're 101 years old. Bye.